Struggling with joint pain and looking for natural ways to rebuild your cartilage? What if I told you there's a way to repair damaged cartilage and relieve joint pain without surgery? Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz, and for over 20 years I've helped people discover natural solutions to chronic health issues. One of the most common complaints I hear is joint pain caused by worn out cartilage. Whether it's from aging, injury, or conditions like arthritis, joint pain can limit your ability to live fully. But the good news is you can actually regenerate and rebuild your cartilage naturally. Today I'm going to show you how to do just that. Cartilage acts like a cushion between your joints, but over time it can wear down due to inflammation, injury, or age. When that happens, you start to experience pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Unfortunately, many people believe that once cartilage is damaged, it can't be repaired, but that's not true. With the right nutrients, exercises, and lifestyle changes, you can stimulate cartilage regeneration and reduce joint pain naturally. To rebuild cartilage, you need to focus on three main areas: nutrition, physical activity, and inflammation control. Let me explain each one. First, nutrition plays a huge role in cartilage regeneration. Your body needs specific nutrients to produce collagen, which is the building block of cartilage. Vitamin C, collagen-boosting amino acids, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential. Vitamin C helps your body synthesize collagen, while amino acids like proline and lysine provide the raw materials for new cartilage. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in joint pain. Second, physical activity is crucial, but it needs to be the right type of activity. Low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, and yoga help maintain joint mobility and stimulate cartilage production without putting too much stress on your joints. Strengthening exercises for the muscles surrounding your joints also help the load off the cartilage, reducing wear and tear. Third, inflammation control is key. Chronic inflammation can prevent your cartilage from regenerating, so it's important to reduce it. You can do this through an anti-inflammatory diet rich in foods like turmeric, ginger, and berries, which contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Staying hydrated with electrolytes is another important factor, since cartilage is made up of a large percentage of water. Finally, use Lifewave X39 to activate your dormant stem cells and your production of new collagen that will convert to cartilage. Lifewave X39 helps to elevate an essential peptide, the copper peptide, and that sends a signal to restart your tissues to make new collagen, which is the raw materials for building cartilage. It also helps to clear up any debris and scar tissue inside your joints, and with the activated stem cells now available, the cartilage can be regenerated and rebuilt any damaged parts in your joints. X39 helps accelerate the process, and instead of taking more than 1 year to regenerate on its own with balanced nutrition and exercises, with Lifewave X39, it can take a few months due to the presence of additional copper peptide. By combining these strategies, proper nutrition, low impact exercise, and inflammation control, you give your body the tools it needs to naturally rebuild cartilage. It won't happen overnight, but over time, you can experience less pain, better mobility, and healthier joints. To recap, rebuilding cartilage and relieving joint pain naturally is possible by focusing on the right nutrients, engaging in joint-friendly exercises, reducing inflammation, and incorporating Lifewave X39. These simple steps can make a huge difference in your quality of life and help you regain mobility. If you want personalized advice on how to rebuild your cartilage and relieve joint pain, I invite you to book a free health and wellness consultation with me. Click the link in the description to schedule your session, and let's work together on getting you pain-free naturally.